Hey there, we are looking to go long. This is the Australian dollar, Japanese yen. I'm looking at the 5-minute time frame, and I did get this signal to go long on this candle. Now we're looking at a little bit of a pullback, which is okay. It means we're going to get in at a great price. So with that being the case, I am going to get into the trade. So with the trade being set, I'm going to place my stop loss just under this most recent swing low. I'm going to go for a 1-to-1 on this particular trade. And the reason I got into this trade was we had the array looking up. So we've got this bullish array. It's mostly green. That leading edge is above that trailing edge. We had on this one candle right here, the validator dot turned green. Now with this pullback that we were looking for, this is what the setup was. On this pullback, we had the trend indicator stay green throughout that pullback. So with that pullback turning the array red or part of that array red, we ended up having this trend stay green, and that gives us the impression or the idea that this trend is up and we have turned back into that trending direction. So what I'm going to do now is simply let this trade go. I'm going to record this trade as it goes, and when we hit our take profit, I will come back. Now during the trade, as this trade is playing out, I am going to start moving my stop loss along the underside of this array. So as this market starts to move up, I will be taking my stop loss and moving it underneath the array, and we're going to manage the trade throughout this entire process. So hopefully our take profit will get hit, but if that is not the case and we do get stopped out, it ideally is going to be for a tiny amount as opposed to the whole initial risk. All right, so I'm going to let this trade go, and I'll be back when our take profit is going to get hit. So we were taken out in profit. This was a trade that was a little bit of a struggle. We did have this one pullback that came so close to the stop loss that I thought that we were taken out. But the stop loss was appropriately placed, and because of that, we survived that, and the trade did go on to win. This was a great trade. It was a little bit of a nail biter, but ultimately in the end, we did win. Thanks for watching this live trade video. It was an awesome trade thanks to the Forex Profitude trading system.